Welcome back to Cooking with Will. Today we are making brownies, and these are the best brownies you've ever had. The author or creator of the recipe is Nora Taylors from noracooking.com. Also, we have a special guest named Anna. She will be helping with making the brownies, and she will also be taste testing it with my sister, the picky taste tester. First, we need to put 4 tablespoons of ground flax into our cup of water here, half a cup. Okay, so put that in. Then now mix the white light sugar and the dark sugar with the melted butter in the stand mixer. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that looks pretty moved. But if you don't like chocolate, one you shouldn't have clicked on this video, but everyone likes chocolate. And also, this is our picky taste tester. I mentioned earlier in the video.
I'm very picky.
And her name is Mia, and she's my sister. I'll take this one.
These look so sweet. Okay, I can't grab mine.
It's a little
really
crunchy,
good.
but it's really chocolatey, so if you like chocolate, this is for you.
From 1 to 10, I'd rate it a 10.
5, because you can taste the salt pretty easily.
10.
Welcome back to Cooking. This dinosaur was born in 1998 and died of radiation.
Guys, I can change the mode. Wait, should I go back? No, turn it on. I can change the mode from that to that. No, my mama.